Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we got an easy one. Broken doorbell button, and the pizza guy can't let us know he's here. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So first I'm going to take my handy dandy 6-way, flip it over to the small flat, and pull these guys out. Pull the doorbell off, and you can see there is two contact screws here that creates the circuit and rings the bell. Now this is low voltage, so you don't really have to worry about getting shocked. Little Phillips. Gonna loosen these contact screws. And pull it off. Now somebody has put a jumper here. Obviously they couldn't get the wires to be long enough to work. So the way that we test this is just go ahead and complete the circuit. Now we take our new doorbell, go ahead and loosen the contacts. And we're going to wrap around the contact screw and tighten it down. Now this one will wrap around this guy here. Go ahead and test. There we go. Get that wrapped around like so. I'm going to throw a little piece of tape on this open junction here. Then we're going to fit the wires back in. We can see we have our light. Screws go back in. Working awesome. Now if you didn't get the chime when you touched the two wires together, the problem is going to be in your transformer in here. The doorbell kit, it's about 12 bucks. Pull it down, and as long as your wires are good inside the wall, you should be getting the ding. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.